Hello guys, my name is Adam and this YouTube channel Fuse Service, HVAC, electrical and plumbing. And in this video I would like to talk with you about top 7 energy saving tips for electrical appliances in your household. First one, so you may have a lot of unused appliances, so just unplug them and you're gonna save a lot of money in end of the month. So the second one is use energy efficient appliances such as the heat pump dryer, heat pump water heater, heat pump HVAC system. Another advice is optimize your refrigerator settings and make sure it's absolutely clean out of the dirt. So make sure is set it up for 0 Fahrenheit in your freezer and 37 in your refrigerator side. Another advice is wash smartly. So when you wash your cloths, make sure you divide all white color and black cloths separate and wash them one at a time. Another advice is turn off lights and electronics when you are not using it. So may you have seen or not seen, so there's extensions with sensors of unused infrared ports from your remotes. Maybe you may have to find them. I will leave one of them in the description below and you may just click on it and find it out what it's gonna be very fit for you. It's actually working in my house and saving me about $10–15 per month. So, and a lot of people running the lights everywhere with Christmas trees, with New Year accessories, so a lot of things running a lot of electricity. So consider to replace all these lights, Christmas lights, with LED because they are significantly save a lot of money. For example, incandescent lights can consume about 120 watts and just a small LED lights, same light efficiency, can consume about 5–6 watts. So it is 2000% efficiency in compare with incandescent lights. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one.